Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra/Note apparently spotted on Samsung website and Geekbench listing. Also, we have the full render images and the spec sheet of the upcoming Galaxy Tab A8. Hey, what's up guys, we are back again with another video. So guys, as we know that the Samsung Galaxy S22/Note device is going to be the highest flagship level device coming next year, and probably we already know most of the specification right now. But today we have got another leak coming from a leakster snooper who has shared the model number of S908U, which has been spotted on Samsung website. The listing does not mention any other detail about the device except the model number, and it's going to be an indication that the Galaxy S22 is nearing to launch. Also, the leakster claims that the production is now in a full swing and South Korean company is shipping thousands of components every day for its next premium range. And here the tipster also claims that the manufacturer has started production of the Tab S8 tablet, but the volume is very low at the moment. And here we have got another leak for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, which benchmark score has been released for the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor. Well, it's going to be interesting to see that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 is a processor which is even better than the Samsung Exynos 2200 based on leaked benchmark scores from the Geekbench 5 listing. Today Leaks has given us a detail that there are two models, SM908 and an SM908U, are going to be running Android 12 out of the box and will have 10GB of RAM and an 8GB of RAM respectively. Tipster recently claimed that the S22 Ultra will be having two RAM options, 12GB and 16GB, so we will have to wait for more sources to corroborate this bit to be true. When we look at the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor and compare it to the Apple A14 Bionic, in terms of CPU performance it's way behind, but when it's compared to the GPU, it's neck to neck with the Apple A14 Bionic chipset. Probably the Adreno GPU which is coming inside is much more improved right now as compared to the previous model, and I think it's for the first time we have seen any Android processor has come close to the Apple SoCs. And you guys take this leak as a pinch of salt because nothing has been confirmed yet. These benchmark listings are those which are based on the test units rather than retail version of devices. Anyhow, the last story of today is regarding the Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 that's render images and specs has been leaked. According to the render images, the device is coming with the same design as we have seen in the Tab A7. Basically, it's coming with a 5MP of a front-facing camera, 10.5-inch of LCD panel, and the back is coming with a single 8MP of a camera with a black colored ring on the back side, and below in we have the Samsung logo which was placed in the center of the back panel in the previous leaks. Anyhow, the Galaxy Tab A8 will be running on Tiger T618 SoC paired with a 3 or 4GB of RAM, and the tablet will be running on 3 storage options, 32, 64 and 128GB, and out of the box it's coming with Android 11. One of the major improvement in the Tab A8 is the battery, and the entire package is coming with a massive 7000 mAh of battery, but it's unclear how fast it will charge. For the pricing, it's going to be having a €230 of a price tag, and the source says that it will be available in the mid-January 2022. So guys, all in all, I am super excited about the S22 series. It's probably going to be a device that I am eagerly waiting for because it's coming with an S Pen support built in the device. And you guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What are your opinion on that? Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Peace.